Shankara Namah Shivaya. Girija Shankara Namah Shivaya.
Shambho Shankara Namah Shivaya. Girija Shankara Namah Shivaya.
Bolo Shambho Shankara Namah Shivaya. Girija.
Hi friends, this is NJ, host on this channel. So we will continue our discussion around the different life path numbers. The life path number which we are going to discuss today is the life path number 3, and we will have our discussion on the same parameters which we have been following throughout in this series. First, we will try to understand how to calculate the life path number in a correct prescribed way. Second, we will try to understand the positive and the negative aspect of the life path number 3, that what all are the universal vibrations are indicating you to behave. What all things you should avoid, which all path you need to take, which all occupations are fitted for you, which all things are occurring as an obstacle, as a hindrance in your path towards success. So all of that we are going to discuss in this video, and in the last part we will try to understand the life of the real life celebrities, and we will see the influence of the life path number in their chosen vocation, in their traits, and most importantly in their public image. So before we'll start our discussion, just a quick recap of how to calculate the life path number in an accurate way. So as you can see in your screen in this reference example, that this person was born on 27th of November 1956. So the approach which I follow, which I teach on my channel, is very simple. We have to reduce all the three entities to a single digit. So we'll begin with the date of birth. So 27 can be reduced to a single digit as 2 plus 7 equals to 9. The month of birth we cannot reduce to a single digit because it is a master number. The calendar month of the November is the 11th, and 11th is a master number which cannot be reduced to a single number, so we will keep it intact. And the last is the step 3 is we have to reduce the year of birth to a single digit. So just because the person was born on 1956, addition of all the 4 digits 1 plus 9 plus 5 plus 6 is going to give us the answer as 21, and you have to again reduce it to a final single digit. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Now what we have to do is that we have to make a sum of all these 3 resultant single digits. So 9 plus 11 plus 3 is going to give us the answer as 23. Now 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So the person who was born on 27th November 1956, his life path number is 5. Now, like the way I always say, you might be following a different approach which will be not considered as a prescribed as per the principles of the numerology, which might be giving you the correct life path. But it's very important that you should stick to the correct way of calculating the life path number, because later on when we will go into the depth of the principles of the numerology, there you might face the problem, because these 3 entities, the date of birth, the month of birth, and the year of birth, also tells about the 3 cycles of someone's life. So this is what we have understood. Now we will start our discussion on understanding the life path number 3. See, like the way I always say, the life path number is very important because this number is fixed, this number is immovable. You cannot change your date of birth, your month of birth, your year of birth. And the irony and the beauty of the life is that whichsoever struggle you will be going in your life, that will definitely be completely in sync with the theme of your life path number. You have to understand that there is no such thing as following a single path only. What my neighbor is doing, what the dominant trend is in my society, what my family wants me to do, I have already explained it to you. The path of our life path number 1, which we have already discussed, was all about the individuality. The life path number 2 just indicates, becoming a harmonizer. Life path number 1 has to remain in front of the camera and he has to take the shots. The life path number 2 has to be behind the camera and run the chores of this show. When it comes to the life path number 3, we have already discussed the energies of the number 3. 3 is the most joyful number, most fortunate number. Its energy is all about the fun, the communication, about the intellect, inspiration, instilling confidence in others, giving light on to others. So all these are the things which you will find in someone's life who will be strongly under the influence, under the vibration of the life path number 3. Now, the thing is that just because it's our life path number 3, so it means the universal vibrations want us to imbibe by this governing principle only. So we will find all of our opportunities by remaining a part of the social contacts, working out with and expressing our creative self-expression, remaining very careful, very fun loving, very joyful. So the best part and the beauty of the life path number 3 people is that even if they will be, whether they are expressing all their innate talents in a creative way, they might be associating and working in some advertising agency, they might be working in some media production house, and even if they will be a teacher, they will be a lawyer, so they will be teaching people, they will be teaching their clients in a very fun, in a very communicative way. So these all are the things which you will find inherent in someone's life, remaining and becoming a part of the central force of their life. Someone who will be strongly under the influence of the life path number 3. Now when it comes to the challenges which these people face, so just because there is too much of the intellectual thing which plays a dominant role in the life path number 3's case. Second thing is, these people tend to remain little bit emotionally very sensitive. Their emotions part tend to remain very sensitive. So because of which many times it has been seen that these people tend to remain a bit moody, vulnerability to depression, negating themselves or not relying, self-doubting themselves, very ups and downs of the emotional highs and lows. So all self-doubting themselves. So these all are the challenges which these people face, which these people have to work on. Like the way I have already explained it to you, if you have a life path number 3, communication will be a central part of your life. Now on the basis of the evolutionary level of the soul and on the basis of the other numbers, because this is just a one part of the numerology which we are discussing, that might be case this communication which has to be your weapon, which has to be a strength, might be becoming your weakness. You might be having a speech impediment problem, you might have a stage fright problem. So these are the areas where you have to work on, because your asset, your path to happiness lies in the communication, in socializing, in creatively expressing yourself. Trust me guys, I have also worked in the advertising as well, and I know that when it comes to even expressing yourself creatively, I have seen all those kind of cases where very nice and very award winning and $1 million worth ideas have been generated, but just because the person who was responsible for that idea, he did not have the thrust, he did not have the that assertiveness to push that idea, that whole idea written on that piece of paper went into the garbage. So you have to understand that you have to take the bull by the horns, and you have to remain very creatively self-expressive in your life. So these all are the positive and the negative side of the life path number 3. Many times it has been seen that these people, as long as the fun part is involved, they remain a part of that entity, a part of that, thought, idea, process. But once the real actual working starts happening, they tend to remain, get little bit away from that. And just because the mental part is very strong. So repetitive thoughts problem is something also which these people tend to face a lot. So these are some areas where you have to work if you have a life path number 3. It has been even seen that all those people who keep on accumulating one degree after another, which is not going to help them anyway. Just unnecessarily they are accumulating all the degrees, and just because the negative side of the intellect, negative side of the the optimism is pessimism. And just because I have already explained you that life path number 3 people tend to remain very quick-witted, very good, they also carry good sense of humor, good communication abilities as well. Under the case of affliction, if the other numbers are not supporting it, so there might be a case that the person might become he might be using, and he might be in this impression that he's making the environment light with his communication, with his humor, but that would be going other way around, where people are kind of getting hurt and getting offended because of his communication. So these are the few things where the life path number 3's whole life revolves around. These are all the things where the person has to compromise or he has to encash on. It's all about the joy, the communication, about the the creative self-expression. So this is all what the energies of the life path number 3 are. I have already made a separate video on the personal vibration of the number 3, where I have already explained the gemstones which you can think of wearing, the colors which you can think of adding. So all these things you can refer to that video. Now we will start taking up the case of the real life celebrities who have the life path number 3. So we'll take the case first of the great spiritual light of the this modern era, whom even I am connected with, who is none other than Shri Ravi Shankar ji. So Shri Ravi Shankar ji, who is a spiritual leader, founder of Art of Living Foundation, was born on 13th May 1956. His life path number can be calculated easily by, because his date of birth is 13. So reducing it to a single digit, 1 plus 3 is going to give us the 4. And the month, calendar month is May, which is 5. And reducing the year to a single digit. So 1 plus 9 plus 5 plus 6 is going to give us the 21. You have to again reduce it to a final digit, is going to give us the number 3. Now we have to add all these 3 entities. The date of birth 4, adding it with the month of birth, which is 5, adding it with the 3, which is the year, reduced to a single digit, is going to give us the 12 as the resultant answer, and we have to reduce it to a single digit, which will give us the life path number as the 3. Now when it comes to the Shri Ravi Shankar ji, so we all know that he is frequently referred to as Guruji or Gurudev. He is a spiritual leader and founder of the Art of Living, which he created in 1981, which aims to relieve individual stress, social problems and violence. He has been even awarded by many accolades, many awards in India and many other countries. And just because the main thing which sets him apart from the other gurus is that his way of interacting with the masses. I have personally myself interacted with the Shri Guruji, and the way he interacts in such a joyful way, there is always that eternal light in his face. He is always exuding that optimism, that light-heartedness. You know, even if he is talking to a school children or a youth who is struggling in his life, he will, he will come down to his level. He is like smiling, laughing, even asking about his personal life. And even if he is talking to someone who is a senior, mature, old businessman, he'll be talking to him in that tone, in that aspect. So this is something which we should learn. Although Guruji's each and every aspect of the personality is something which you should learn from, but we can easily see the influence, the vibrations and the energy of the life path number 3 in his life. Where he is a teacher, he's putting the light, spreading the light of knowledge, wisdom, benevolence via his Sudarshan Kriya, a yogic Kriya invented by him, discovered by him. But main thing is, whatsoever he's doing that in a very joyful way, which is completely in sync with the energy of the life path number 3. The next cases which we are going to take is the case of, let's take the case of the Rihanna. So Rihanna, who is a singer, songwriter, fashion designer, but let's first calculate her life path number. She was born on 20th February 1988. Life path number is very easy to calculate. Date can be reduced to a single digit, 20 as the 2. Month is the calendar month is 2. And the year of birth will be reduced to a single digit as 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8 as the 26, which will give us the final answer as the 8. Now adding the date of birth, month of birth, year of birth reduced to a single digit, which is going to give us 2 plus 2 plus 8 as the answer 12. You have to add the 1 plus 2, which is going to give you the answer as the 3. Now we all know that Rihanna is the youngest and the fastest solo artist to earn 14 number 1 singles on the Billboard Hot 100. She has even won 8 Grammy Awards, 12 American Musical Awards. And like the way I have already said this thing, that the energy of the number 3 is also about the artistic talents as well. How creatively you are expressing yourself, the artistic and the creative talents as well. And this is which can be easily seen in the life of the Rihanna, where she has come from a very humble background, but she is making a foray in all the aspect of the creativity, be it in the form of the the fashion, be it in the form of the music, be it in the form of the production. So this is the case of the Rihanna. The third case can be looked at of the case of the Katy Perry. So she is also a singer, songwriter, a philanthropist, businesswoman. She was born on 25th October 1984. Life path number can be easily calculated as reducing the date of birth to a single digit. 2 plus 5 equals to 7. Calendar month is 10, which can be reduced to a single digit as 1. The year of birth is 1984, which can be reduced to a single digit as 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 4 equals to 22. Now the catch here is 22 is a master number. We never reduce it to a single digit. Making a sum of the 3 reduced entities is going to give us 7 plus 1 plus 22 equals to 30, and we have got the finally reduced answer as the 3. Now when it comes to the life of the Katy Perry, so we all know that she this one aspect of her life which I recently got to know when I was researching in her life, that I don't know like whether you will be knowing this thing or not, but before coming into the limelight and becoming a very successful singer, she in her childhood she even pursued a career in the gospel music. As a teenager she used to sing in the church, which is very much in sync with the energies of the vibrations of the life path number 3 as well, because this is a number which is being governed by the planet Jupiter. And she has received many awards, including the 4 Guinness World Book Records, a Brit Award, a Juno Award, and she has been even included in the Forbes list of the top earning women in music. So what I want to say is that just because we have taken all the 3 aspects of the energies of the life path number 3, there is one enlightened being who is using the energies of the life path number 3 in the form of the spreading the wisdom, knowledge in a joyful way. And there are the case of these celebrities who are manifesting the artistic and the creative side of the life path number 3's energy. So all what you guys need to do is that you need to understand that the more you will be in sync with the energies of your life path number, more better and harmonious you can make your life as. So this is all what I wanted to say as my take on the life path number 3. I hope you guys found this video informational. For further more updates and notification on numerology, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.
चिदानंद रूप शिवोऽहं शिवो